What you are doing is just you are circulating your love into this Virata's body, and so that the whole body feels the oneness. That's the situation it is. Then the colors are all representing your chakras. These are all the chakras, as you know. Every chakra has got different colors. So what happens? These colors just get distributed in the air, in the atmosphere. During Holi time, you are representing those colors which are completely permeating into the atmosphere. So this is another thing when you play colors. When you color another person, you are just expressing that these your chakras may be blessed. Red color is of the Muladhara. All those colors that you use here are of different chakras. So just you are making the whole expression of your love, that let it be you become completely filled with red color. Means innocence because as a child in the womb of the mother just sees the red color of the mother, color of the blood. So like that you see different colors are spread on the face, and abira is the green color of the uh, Guru Tattva. Like that, all these colors have got significance, that they are the colors of your chakras which are spreading all over to your friends, to your other brothers and sisters who are surgeons. So it has that symbolic expression that you are spreading your actually the essence of your chakra, the basis of your chakra, the colors of your chakra, the fragrance of those chakras to other surgeries. So just uh, permeating. But we must understand that once we have come to Sahaja Yoga, once our Kundalini has been awakened, then all of us have now become part and parcel of one body, of the great primordial being. In a body, as human bodies are, supposing a finger is numb, then all the body's attention is on that finger to cure it. And all the other fingers and the whole body, the brain, the mind, you can call it, everything is worried about that finger, how to make it all. Naturally, there is no ego for these fingers. So nobody feels hurt or bad. And the fingers are also anxious to do it because they can feel the problem of the finger which is numb. If there is some problem, say, internally within your body, all the cells which are needed to correct that problem will rush. The blood will rush, the heart will pump, everything will work out in a very coordinated way. But nobody feels hurt. Then why should I take help from anyone? Neither the one who helps is frightened or afraid or also feels the ego. The reason is the cells of the body are under the complete control of one brain or one personality or one self. But in Sahaja Yoga, this collectivity is not yet established. That's why people feel hurt, people hurt each other, they have fear. Of another cell, which is the brother cell, which is the partner cell, which is the part and parcel of your own being. Are we afraid of our eyes or afraid of our nose? Are we afraid of our hands or of our feet? And this collectivity is such a vicious circle that unless and until you become really collective, you cannot feel another person. And unless and until you have that sense of responsibility of collectivity built in yourself, you cannot help another person. So a certain amount of growth is needed in the whole body to be sensitive enough to help each other, to be wise enough to help each other, to be resourceful enough to really nourish another. And that development has to come again through collectivity. It's most surprising. I know sometimes people feel that there are Sahajogis who are not even of one mind. I agree that somebody will say your Vishuddhi is catching, another will say your heart is catching, another will say your Lloyd is catching. They don't say that all of them will say the same thing. One will say this, one will say that, one will say that. The reason is some of them have developed a certain sensitivity to a certain center, but not to all the centers. And that's how there can be a difference of opinion, as there should not be at all. So firstly, we must all know that we are still growing. We have to still grow. In Sahaja Yoga, even if you get your realization, that doesn't mean you have suddenly become John the Baptist. We all have to grow. And for growing and growth, we have to discard something and we have to accept something.